Penelope. Penelope.
Not in my
No,
room.
no.
Not my
No,
room.
no, no.
Let's put it the other way.
No, 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 no.
Uh-uh.
Uh-uh.
That way.
No, no, no.
Come here. Come here.
You come here. Come on, this way. This way. Come on. Come on. Penelope. You cannot go in Matthew's bedroom. No, no.
Be a good girl. Come on. Come on, Penelope. Be a good girl. Be a good girl.